Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best electronic toilet seat that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the TOTO Washlet C100 Elongated Bidet Toilet Seat. This amazing product comes with an elongated seat that has temperature control, dryer and deodorizer. Additionally, the water volume and temperature can be adjusted. It has a special oscillating feature with front and rear spray. A convenient arm control panel is also available and the wand is cleaned automatically before and after use. The surface is made slippery by a pre-mist technology to avoid sticking and makes it really easy to clean. Moving on, at number 4, we have the BioBidet Ultimate BB600 Advanced Bidet Toilet Seat. The BioBidet BB600 features a front and back warm water cleansing, antibacterial bits and pieces, massage feature that has a wide cleaning function. It works by cycling front and rear streams of water to provide unmatched cleanse. This seat allows you to adjust the water pressure and temperature as well as the position of aerated steam. By just a touch of a button you get to experience hands-free warm air dry comfort and total relaxation. Additionally, it comes with a dual nozzle that provides posterior, feminine wash and is child-friendly. Last but not least, it is eco-friendly and comes with 2-year limited manufacturer coverage on parts and labor. At number 3, we have the SmartBidet SB1000 Electric Toilet Seat. The SmartBidet electronic toilet seat greatly provides hygiene, convenience and comfort. It is also easy to install, use and is environment-friendly. Additionally, it comes with extensive features which include, feminine wash, posterior wash, turbo wash, warm air dryer, adjustable water pressure, heated water and seat, filtered clean water, safety on/off skin sensor, quick releasing seat for easier cleaning, soft cleaning lid and a self-cleaning nozzle. In addition, there are 5 levels of water and pressure settings and 3 levels of heated seat settings. Last but not least, this seat is easy to set up and will fit well on standard elongated toilets. At number 2, we have the TOTO Washlet C200 Elongated Bidet Toilet Seat. This TOTO electronic toilet seat deeply cleanses after every toilet use, leaving you feeling exceptionally clean. The self-cleaning wand can be adjusted, thus allowing you to set the exact temperature and spray type, therefore, provides comfy intimate wash. It features a pre-mist, gently sprays mist onto the dry bowl to make the surface a little bit slippery. The 5 settings of water temperature help you control the water warming temperature that is comfortable for you. The air dryer also comes with 5 settings. The air deodorizer is automatically released to mask any unpleasant odors. Furthermore, the remote control has backlit buttons for night use and features 2 user presets. Lastly, this seat allows you to choose a bidet spray in which the pressure of water oscillates, hence providing a soothing clean rinse. And finally, at number 1, we have the BioBidet Prestige BB800 Round White Bidet Toilet Seat. The BioBidet as an electronic toilet seat is a luxurious seat that heavily focuses on hygiene. It comes with 3-in-1 nozzle that offers vortex wash, feminine wash and greatly improves hygiene. The slow closing seat and warm water makes this seat very comfortable. Furthermore, it is eco-friendly and greatly cut on toilet paper use and reduces electricity thanks to the energy-saving mode. Other luxurious features include, warm heated seat, special turbo wash and lively and oscillating wash options, which are all available in simple-to-use side panel. Lastly, this product comes with a 3-year limited manufacturer's warranty for parts and labor.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.